This is a Speedway television. Look at that. Everybody's using technology. That's what I'm talking about. We have to harness the power ourselves and use things like YouTube and Facebook to sell our products and services. That's what we're talking about. Got that Facebook video ads program. People making $44,000 a day, averaging $17,000 to $22,000 a day. Stay well. That's what I'm talking about. I'm Kevin Weathers on the microphone. I'm showing you how everybody is using technology to their advantage. We gotta do the same. We gotta do the same. I had one person say to me, I hope that that's not a business card. And then he jumped on the bicycle. And I was thinking, I hope that that's not a car. Alright, I'm out. Kevin Weathers, God's Chosen One on YouTube.
Steve Harvey Morning Show. I'm Ty Peace. Now, start.